Okay, morning everybody. Let's have a look at the markets. Starting with the JSE on the daily. On the monthly picture, we're in an ABC up. Yesterday we closed above the 100 of the monthly high low, so next target being the 127, then the 161. We're in zone 1 of moving averages. Everything suggests on the daily picture the trend is up. On the 1 hour, we've also got this ABC up with a smaller red ABC up. Yesterday found resistance on the 127 of the weekly high low. If that breaks, here's our first ABC target, 48159. That breaks, we're looking for the 161 of the weekly high low. The 200 level is exactly where my second ABC target is. Just remember, this was only a 38% retracement, so it doesn't always get to second target. On the smaller time frame, we're waiting for our opening fibs. So 5-minute close above 38, long to the 11, 5-minute close below 61, short to the 89. Also got a possible setup here in the form of an extension fib. So a 5-minute close below the 100, we chase down to the 161.8. On the Dow on the daily picture, possible here 0A, B, C down. This time frame is still right. 89% retracement of this move is where we bounced, forming a double top there. So here we're waiting for stochastics to come down through 50 on the Dow. End of day, and we should have quite a good trade out of that. On the weekly high low, nice drop last night. We missed all this, unfortunately. It was very late last night. But resistance at the moment of 38.2. So according to the weekly high low, can still see the 11 here on the Dow. On the Euro US, this is on the daily picture, closed above the 100. We've done U-turn. We're back in this consolidation zone. Support at the moment being the 77. That breaks, we're looking at the next level of support being the 61 and then the 50, closing gap. So on the hourly picture, we've had this move down yesterday, day before yesterday. We got the short off the stochastic coming down through 50, target being the 11 over here. So now we just have to sit back, wait for another setup. Pound US on the daily picture, resistance is on the 100 of the monthly high low. A break above these previous highs, we should see 127. So on the hourly picture now, we broke up yesterday through 50. We managed to get a bit of that long, but there you can see we bounced off the 100 of the weekly high low. Pound yen just keeps on flying. We've broken up through the 127 on the end of day picture. Next target is the 161.8, which is 149966. So in the shorter time frame, resistance being on the hourly of the 161 of the weekly high low. There it is over there. I'm very reluctant to take trades beyond 161.8. It's kind of like stretched too far. And then gold over here, I'm waiting for a trigger of the 50 stochastic to go up through the 50 level. We have broken down below the 100 of the weekly high low, support on the 127. We'll see if this is the end of it. But historically, every time the stochastic breaks, we tend to get about $9 out of it on the hourly picture. Okay, that's it for today. Be back tomorrow.